Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learning here, and today I want to talk about a course that has helped me immensely in starting my own business on Amazon. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking to sell your products on Amazon, this course is definitely worth checking out. This course will teach you everything you need to know about selling on Amazon FBA, from creating your seller account to shipping products to customers. By the end of the course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to start your own successful business on Amazon. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to start their own business on Amazon, whether you're a beginner or have some experience in e-commerce. If you're looking to learn more about the FBA program and how to leverage it to your advantage, this course is definitely for you. In this course, you'll learn how to create a successful business plan for selling on Amazon, how to source high-quality products at competitive prices, how to create compelling product listings that will attract customers, how to use Amazon's marketing tools to boost your product's visibility, how to manage your inventory and ship products to customers, how to provide excellent customer service and handle any issues that may arise. Throughout the course, you'll have access to a variety of resources and readings that will provide you with more in-depth knowledge on various topics related to selling on Amazon. These readings are highly recommended as they'll help you better understand the concepts covered in the course. This course is packed with valuable information and resources that will help you start your own successful business on Amazon. The instructor is knowledgeable and provides clear, step-by-step guidance on each topic. The course is also well-structured and easy to follow, making it perfect for beginners. If you're looking to start your own business on Amazon, I highly recommend taking this course. It has helped me immensely in starting my own successful business, and I'm confident it will do the same for you. So, enroll today and take your first step towards financial freedom. Remember, with hard work and dedication, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best in your entrepreneurial journey. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content like this. See you in the next video.